Captain Hoff here with the Founders Space Accelerator, and I want to talk to you today about folders. Folders, you know those little things on your computer that you drop stuff into, like in Gmail? They call them labels, but they're actually folders, just they function slightly differently. On your desktop, you have these folders that you drop all your files into when organizing. Well, especially when it comes to emails, I have a method for being more efficient, and it's called folder minimization. I have tried the system where I have literally dozens, if not, 100 folders that I categorize everything into. And I have found that to be painful. And I will tell you why it's painful. Number one, every time you have to file something away, you have to think about where it goes. And it could go in this folder or that folder, or, you have to go through all these lists of folders. And that takes time. It takes seconds for every email that you file away. Now, what I do with Founderspace is super simple. I have one folder. It's called Founderspace. And I dump everything into it. It all gets dumped into that folder. And then when I need, and there's two things I do. It's a binary decision for me. I either delete it or I move it to the folder. Delete or move to the folder. So if it's something that I never want to see again, it's deleted. If it's something I think I'll need for any reason, it's moved into the folder. I don't have to think. I don't have to think where it goes, what to do. It's literally a binary decision. And binary decisions you can make really, really fast, because I get so many emails in my inbox every day, I can't even manage it. So I have to move through those at kind of lightning speed, and it's all about folder management. And I have found that having a single folder, or maybe you can't do a single folder, but as few folders as you can possibly manage, the faster it will be for you to make those quick decisions. Where does this go? Delete or into one of these three folders? So that is my tip for you. Folder minimization. Don't have a folder fetish. My wife has a folder fetish. She has so many folders. When I go over, can never find anything. I'm like, just searching through the folders to find out where she put something takes forever. So don't do what she does, is my advice. I can't convince her. She has a mind of her own. She's going to be the one expounding upon the more folders, the better. You need to organize. You need to have a folder for everything. She'll have some folders with only like 2 things in it. I'm like, what's the point? Of having a folder with only 2 things in it. Anyhow, that's my advice to you. Go out there, get rid of, kill, mutilate, destroy those folders.